This is one of those songs you just want to know how to play and sing because it's such a beautiful song.
So tell me now, and I won't ask again, will you still love me?
Hey there buddy, Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dene again, and welcome to this week's 5-minute quickfire guitar lesson. So this channel is for the begin-to-mediate guitar players who, like me, love to rediscover those forgotten songs we all love to remember. If this sounds like you, then you're in the right place. Well, I'm on a 5-minute guitar lesson promise, so let's get underway. Right, let's make a start on the verse. The song is sung in the key of G, and the chords are a B, a B7, a C, a D7, an E minor, and of course it starts on the G. And sometimes I play the bar chord G. Now remember, to help you learn the song, be sure to download the free song sheet, the link in the description below. It's got the chords, the lyrics, everything you need to know how to practice this song. And also to get an instant song repertoire that doesn't include all those mainstream boring songs that every other songbook has, make sure you follow the link to get my 50 epic Campfire songs songbook. Right, let's make a start on the verse. I'll probably play it with a higher tempo just to get through on the G. Tonight you're mine completely. G, you give your love so sweetly. That's a D7 to the B. Tonight, B7, light of E minor. Love that's in your eye. Will you still D7 tomorrow? Now the only tricky thing to learn there, apart from the B chord and the B7, is that little bass run from the E minor to the C. So we're on this B, night the light, to the E minor, love that's in your eyes, and then you're going to pluck the D string, 2nd fret, and then open. Transition to the C. So E minor, D string, 2nd fret, open, straight to the C. Will you still love me tomorrow? So we're going to move to the bridge now. The chords for the bridge are an A7, a B minor, a C, a D7, and an E minor. And the bridge goes together like this. Tonight the words unspoken. It's B minor. C, you say that I'm the only one. Repeat. C, C to a B minor. And then a couple of quick chord changes here, not so quick, but when the line to the A7, morning sun, bum, 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 straight to the top of the last verse. I'm going to quickly show you the strum options for this. Let's start with a basic down block strum. Down, block, down, block, down, block, down, block. Tonight you're mine completely. So what we'll do next is we'll extend it to a full strum. Basically it's a down block, down, down block, down block, down, down block. Tonight you're mine completely. Down block, down. You give your love so sweetly. Tonight the light, your love that's in your eye. But will you love me tomorrow? Down, block, down, block. So whilst you're practicing, if you really enjoyed this guitar lesson, then you're definitely going to enjoy my other 5-minute guitar lessons. Check them out here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with another one of those forgotten songs we all love to remember.